Hello. Now we will proceed with the remaining rules, starting with rule number 3. Rule 3, which will tell you how to move a branch point ahead of the block. So let us consider a block is present whose transfer function is G1. Let the considered input be R again, let the output be C again, let this be the branch point. This is your branch point that I want to move ahead of the block. So here the output will be RG1 and here the output will be R. So suppose if I want to do such a thing, then the rule says, again retaining the system's transfer function with the input, the output should be RG1. Here the signal should be R simply. So I have to move this branch point here at this particular point. So I want to have R as the output, but here the signal is RG1. So what should be done to make the signal converted to R? Just I need to include the inverse of the transfer function of the block ahead of which I am going to move this particular branch point. So the rule says, if you want to move a branch point ahead of the block, branch point moved ahead of the block, then you need to include a block with inverse of transfer function. Inverse of transfer function, you have to include a block like this. So this is about rule number 3, where if you want to move a branch point ahead of the block, branch point moved ahead of the block like this, then you need to include a block with inverse of the transfer function. That is the rule. Now let us move on to rule number 4. Where we are going to move the branch point before the block. Rule 4, where we are going to move branch point before block. So again let us consider a block. Let the input be R, let the output here be RG1, let the branch point that we are supposed to move be this one. Again the output signal here also will be RG1. So now I want to move this branch point over here. So what should be done? Again mark the block G1, the output should be R. Here again the output should be RG1, the signal that should be got here should be RG1, but I am to move this here. So you need to include a block here. Here the signal is R and I am to obtain the output RG1. So I am supposed to include a transfer function same as the one to which I am moving the branch point, just the block to which I am moving before. So this is all about rule number 4, which tells you how to move the branch point before the block.